Am I the only one that didn't know Edinburgh hides a spooky secret beneath its streets? Deep below the lively city lies a labyrinth of dark, eerie tunnels known as the Edinburgh Vaults. Built in the late 18th century, these vaults were intended for storage and workshops, but soon became notorious for something much darker. Picture this: dimly lit corridors, mysterious whispers and cold, damp stone walls. It's said that desperate souls once sought shelter here and some never left. Paranormal activity? Oh, plenty. Shadowy figures, sudden chills and inexplicable noises have been reported by brave visitors. Legend has it, the ghost of Mr. Boots still roams these vaults, his heavy footsteps echoing through the silence. Would you dare to wander these haunted halls? Maybe you'll catch a glimpse of the past, or maybe it'll catch a glimpse of you. Next time you're in Edinburgh, venture below the surface and discover the city's most chilling secret. Are you ready for the thrill? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more spine-tingling tales.